A bomb swept during Glacial Lake Outburst Flood in October 2023 was diffused on August 29th near National Highway 10 in Bardang, 20th mile. As per police sources, the bomb was identified by civilians and later informed the Rangpo Police Station, who thereafter informed the bomb diffusing unit of the Indian Army based in Bardang, terming the same as a routine exercise post GLOF. The specially constituted bomb diffusing unit of the Indian Army has been carrying similar exercise across the Teesta river bank from Dikchu in Mangan District to Melli in Namchi District.
सानो पड्केन त बम त यहाँसम्म आयो हौ हावा है प्रेस कस्तो डरलाग्दो प्रेस आयो
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.